Okay, so I'm going to be playing Fabian. I'm an ops associate at Symphony and Asset Management, and I'm in Microsoft all day, every day. Be it it's Word, it's Outlook, it's Teams, of course, and sometimes as a special treat, Microsoft SharePoint.
And I'm playing Rose, a broker. My primary communication tool is Symphony. My firm also uses Symphony for external communication with our counterparties, and we've also integrated a few operations workflows directly into the platform.
So here we can see my Teams environment up behind me. Nothing unusual, but as soon as I just clicked over to that Symphony icon on the left-hand side, everything's changed. Just like that, I've been able to extend my standard Teams offering to the Symphony community. So here we can see the Rooms tab, and that's showing all of my Symphony community here with all the participants of those chat rooms, and also the ability at the top to be able to message and create those connections over WhatsApp, SMS voice, and WeChat. Of course, I've still got access to the Microsoft tools, the OneDrive, the calendar, all those other fun parts. So I don't have to switch tools. I can stay exactly where I work and use Symphony to communicate out externally. Okay, so let's make this real, all right? Enough exposition. So I have a trade break with Rose that I need to resolve by market close. We work in the US in a T+1 landscape and in EMEA soon, so time matters, as does performing this in a compliant manner. So up behind me, we see the Contacts tab, and that's showing all my internal and external Symphony contacts with a seamless sync from Outlook. So I'm not having to rebuild my contact list. It's already there. And if we click in Connections, thank you, we see Rose, lucky Rose, she's at the top. So I'm going to be able to just click on Rose and start a native Teams chat externally to her organization, thanks to Symphony. So before today, how would we have started that conversation in order to resolve this break? Well, I would have had some internal conversations in order to ascertain that this was an issue. I then would have sent an email over to Rose. I'd hope Rose replies back to me. We play ping pong for a bit, trying to get this resolved, but not anymore. Now I can simply just send that message over Teams thanks to the Symphony connectivity.
Yeah. And on my side, because Fabian is using Symphony as a secured messaging bridge, his message appears in my Symphony chat. I don't need Teams. I don't need to change the way I work. I just reply as normal, which we will show you shortly.
Okay, so we can see Mohammed's typing frantically. There's no AI on this one. This is pure fingers. So straight away, I see that response. And of course, that response is coming from Symphony, so it's subject to all those compliance tools that Symphony is known for to protect that data.
I'm definitely holding Fabian to that coffee he promised. Now, let's look at this from my side, Rose the broker. I can see Fabian's chat right here, which is seamlessly integrated into everything else. There is zero context switching required. But here's the real win. Because we're both using Symphony secured messaging bridge, our chats are audited, encrypted, and instantly stored. Fabian can sleep well tonight knowing that he's fixed his trade break, and my InfoSec and compliance team can have the ultimate peace of mind.
Okay, let's have another demo. Let's up the ante. So no longer am I at my desk. I'm out and about. I'm on my mobile with the Teams app, appreciating that sweet New York City midtown aroma.
And I'm playing Anna, a corporate investor. I do not use Teams, nor do I have access to Symphony. My main communication tool is WhatsApp, and that's what I use for all of my conversations. In fact, here's my WhatsApp screen.
Okay, so I need to send Anna an update on my fund's performance. So in this situation, in the old days before today, this could get a little bit dicey with my manager or the compliance team, right? Because I had two options. The first option was I wasn't going to update Anna because I didn't have a means of talking to her compliantly in order to send that update because she's on WhatsApp. The second option was You know, I can get my personal mobile out, I can send her a little WhatsApp message, and just hope my compliance team weren't watching. Neither was a great career move. But now, thanks to the Teams integration with the Symphony middleware, I'm able to send that message from Teams over to WhatsApp. It's also got all the compliance tools that are built within Teams, of course. So I've got the purview, I've got DLP, all addressing that message. So let's send that now, and maybe we're even going to send an attachment as well. Perfect.
And here instantly you can see that it hits my WhatsApp. So I can go ahead and reply from my mobile phone, and it will pop up in Fabian's Teams activity feed. Again, guys, we are reaching consumer channels like WhatsApp, WeChat from a corporate Teams account. All right? It feels like a standard chat, but behind the scenes, we're maintaining a full regulatory audit trail with industry-leading security standards. We have effectively brought the client's consumer app into our corporate enterprise workflow, utilizing Symphony's Federation Bridge.